Welcome to Carefreeville, the friendliest town in the world. Carefreeville is an inviting community where talking animals, friendly monsters, and humans all live together. It's a place where everyone has fun while learning. Carefreeville features an age-appropriate, comprehensive early childhood education curriculum. The show helps children develop literacy skills, understand financial education, appreciate the world of art, build healthy habits, and gain social-emotional learning skills. It also inspires engagement in STEM subjects, fostering a sense of belonging in the worlds of science, technology, engineering, and math. Join us in Carefreeville, where your child will learn, grow, and have a blast in the friendliest town in the world. See you next time. See you soon.